Hey, what's up? It's your girl Suzie, and I'm back at it with another mother loving video. So welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Give this video a big thumbs up because I know y'all gonna like this video already. Y'all, these pants are somewhat old. It was kind of trending in 2020, but I decided to still make the pants because I thought they were super cute, and of course I wanted to put my own little touch on there with the back pocket. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all how I make these simple, quick Louis Vuitton jeans, vintage style. I wanted mine to fit a little baggy, so I got my pants a little big. Of course, this is not the belt that I'm going to wear with it. I just wanted to throw, excuse me, I just wanted to throw something on to kind of match the pants. So yeah, I will be styling this up, and y'all will have to see that later on my Instagram, so make sure y'all go ahead and follow me there. Y'all, and I am also trying to reach my 10K mark by the end of this year, so help a sister out and hit the subscribe button. And if y'all like these twists that I did, these pretty fashion twists, these are also up as well. If y'all want to check them out, I will list them down below in the description box. But enough talking, let's get into the video.
Look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babe, so these are the jeans. I picked them up at Walmart, and as you can see, they're a little baggy on me, a little long, which is fine because I want to do some heels with it. So this is a size 32 George regular jeans, like I said, from Walmart, and they cost me about, I forgot, they was on sale, and they kind of caught my eye. I like this color, so I found these pictures on Google, and I printed them out. I made some smaller. I made sure I made them all the same size, and y'all like my cute little size my sister bought me for Christmas. So y'all, we just gonna go ahead and cut those out really quick, nice and simple and easy. The small ones, that's when I had a hard time. But anywho, you do want to take your scissors and cut out the circle part of the I don't even know it's the template we gonna say. So yes, I lined them up, and they was, by me making them all the same size, it was so easy. I eyeballed it. I did not measure where I was gonna put it. So I am literally just going to trace this with a regular pen because you're not going to see it, because I'm going to end up painting over that. Really simple, okay? And I know y'all probably wondering why I didn't cut out the white part of this one that I'm tracing. That's because I wanted to trace this first, and then after that I was going to cut that out. And the same with the one that looks like a little flower. So since we're all done with the tracing, we're going to go ahead and flip it over to the back and start tracing those. Y'all, this, when I say, was a pain in the ass. Oh my god. So this one I kind of just traced all of them as is, and then by them being so small, especially this Louis Vuitton one, y'all, some of them didn't look like oh my god. You'll see, but you can't really tell because y'all know I put my little touch on there. So as you can see, I just wrote these in myself. So that's it. And now let's get into the paint. I got fabric paint. I picked this up at Walmart. I got these from Walmart as well. I like to use the small stencil brushes, so yeah, so I can get a better look, easy finish. I don't have to keep going over it so many times. So from here, that's it, just painting. Y'all, I really love these pants. I can't wait to wear them. Y'all just love polo, but this is the tracing. And clearly I love my bare slippers. They so cute. Thanks, sis. So I'm finishing up here, and this is the final and finishing look. Let me know what you guys think. I love them. I can't wait to wear these and actually style them how I want. Periods. I love the back pocket. It's different. Nobody else done it. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And y'all know I'm finna model these jeans real quick. But yep, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Peace. Ooh, I said let's get into the video and I got into Sue. Period. Period. And I almost just fell. But I look so cute with these twists. I love them. This natural glow. Period, sis. Natural. Makeup wear